man, half dog. Dog man. Chapter 2, Robo Chief. One day, this happened. I'm back. Clunk. No, dog man! No! Stop! Get off! Bad doggy! Bad dog man! Why do you always have to do that? Who chewed up all my dirty tissues? And who ate my slippers? And who beat up my phone? Everybody in my office now! Alright, which one of you chewed up my tissues and ate my slippers and peed on my floor? Just as I suspected. Everybody out! Except Dogman. You are in big trouble! Psst, hey, Chief, the mayor's here. Uh-oh. Sit away in. Howdy, Mayor.
Don't howdy mayor me. Haven't you seen today's news? You're in big trouble, Chief. You better straighten up, or I'll replace you with a robot.
Suddenly, Dogman's super ears heard something. He rushed to the window.
So, my evil plan will become reality. Ha ha ha.
Dogman followed Mayor to a strange factory. He peeked through a window and recorded evidence on his phone.
So, Dr. Scum, how is our evil robot coming along?
Pretty good.
Awesome. Soon, I shall use him to take over the city. My evil plan will begin in 33 seconds.
Cool. 33 seconds later, Petey, he got the package. Give me that. What's this? Awesome! Now I'm completely invisible. Oh God!
Yeah? Uh-oh! Petey's gone. Where did he go? Petey!
Tee-hee! I love being invisible. Whoa!
A ghost!
Ha ha! Soon, Petey walked out of jail. Free at last. Then, ring.
Hello?
There's been a jail escape.
Where?
At the jail.
Hey, Chief. Petey busted out of jail again.
Oh no! Soon, the mayor returned to the police station.
Chief, check this out. I tried to warn you, but you leave me no choice. You're fired, Bob. Dr. Scum, send the chief's replacement.
Okay.
Clunk, 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 clunk.
I am Robo Chief.
Robo Chief is your new boss, and I am Robo Chief's boss. Ha 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 ha.
must obey, Mayor.
Ha 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 ha! Now that Chief is gone, I can run this town my way. And you better not try to stop me, or you end up in a junkyard.
Sorry, dog man. I got fired. You must go on without me. Be a good boy. Make me proud.
Meanwhile, it's good to be the king. Okay, Dr. Scum, it's time to put our evil plan into action.
No proud. Soon, Dr. Scum and his team of bad guys built a bunch of rotten businesses.
Ha ha ha.
And all cops were ordered to stay away. Don't go near Mayor's new stores or you will be fired. It was the perfect crime.
Ha ha ha.
Except for one thing. Hey! Look at all those rotten stores! Invisible Petey was not happy. Grr! Somebody's trying to muscle in on my territory. I have to stop those evil jerks. There can be only one thing in this town. Invisible Petey got right to work. He followed each customer into the rotten stores.
I'll take one bomb, please.
Here you go.
But then, zip! Hey, my pants fell down. Now they fell back up again. Shh! Zip! Ah, it's a ghost!
Invisible Petey followed other customers into one stores and pulled their pants down too. What goes up must come down, and then back up again. Answer. Yeah!
It's a ghost!
Let me out of here! Soon, bzz bzz.
Hi, Dr. Scum. What's up?
Yeah, it's a disaster. All of the water stores are haunted, and the visible ghost is scaring all the customers away.
An invisible ghost? Petey! Robo Chief, get in here.
Yes, Mayor.
Go find invisible Petey and destroy him!
Yes, sir. Robo Chief went to town and started an attack. Invisible Petey, prepare to meet Fadu. Invisible Petey was not afraid. I ain't afraid. Invisible Petey went to a water store. I'm right over here. Oh yeah. Pow. Zip. Boom. Invisible Petey had slipped away just in time. Tee-hee, he went to another water store. Ha-ha! Hey, Robo dude, I'm over here now. Oh, yeah. Pow! Again, Petey slipped away just in time. Zip! Kablam! Invisible Petey ran from a water store, but blam! Yoo! To a water store. You miss me? La wow! Until every water store was gone. Invisible Petey went to a playground. Bet you can't catch me! And he ran over to the corkscrew slide. I'm down here. Oh yeah. Pow! Zip, kablamo! Ha ha! Soon, wing wing.
Hello, Dr. Scum. Did the Robo Chief destroy Invisible Petey?
The mayor told Mayor the bad news.
No!
Mayor had one last plan up her sleeve. Evil sleeve. She ran to the cop station.
Dog man, you must stop Invisible Petey. Use your dog nose to sniff him out. Go get him.
Dogman ran to town. Soon he picked up a scent. Uh-oh, here comes Dogman. Chomp! Yikes, that was a close one. Dogman chased Invisible Petey all over town. Chomp! But the invisible petey was just too quick. Ha ha! You'll never catch me because I'm covered in invisible spray, and I'm never watching enough. Then Dogman got a good idea. Dogman ran to a nearby kiddie pool and dived right in. Splash! Dogman was all wet. Now it was time to dry off. Super soaker! The water sprayed everywhere, and soon, hey! I'm getting all wet. My visibility spray is washing off. Uh-oh. Now Dogman could smell Petey and see him. No, wait, I can explain. Rats. Soon, ladies and gentlemen, today we harness Dogman because it captured Petey and stuff. Get up here. Speech. Dogman did not know how to give a speech, but he knew how to play a video. Beep beep. How is that evil that's coming along? Pretty good. Awesome. Soon I shall use it to take over the city. Well, wait, I can explain. And so, boo-hoo. 1 week later, hey cops, I'm the new mayor. It is my job to appoint the new chief. Who should I pick? Chomp! Oh. Where's he going? Beats me. Everybody chased Dogman across town until... Ding dong! Hello, Dogman. Oh, hi, Dogman. Flop! Ew, you got slop all over me. Huh? So Chief got his old job back. And soon, everything was back to normal. Hey! Yay! Hey! So if you want me to read chapter 3 of Dogman, of his origin, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, click the link in the description. Hit the thumbs up. That's the like, in other words. Okay, bye-bye, and I'll see you to the next reading.